How to enable watch page ads on your YouTube channel. So you got accepted into YouTube Partner Program. Congratulations! Now the next step for you is to monetize your YouTube videos with watch page ads so that you can start earning money from the ads shown on your videos. So follow this simple and easy guide to get your ads up and running and boost your revenue for your YouTube channel. So after getting approved into YouTube Partner Program, now come over to YouTube Studio to your YouTube channel dashboard, and on the left section, go to Earn section. And you will see this type of interface, and here you can turn on watch page ads so that you can earn from ads displayed on your videos. Now to set up watch page ads for your monetized YouTube channel, here select on watch page ads, or also under overview, you can click on get started under watch page ads, and that will bring you to the same section. Now here under watch page ads, you can actually earn from ads that are displayed on your videos and also from YouTube Premium subscribers who watch your videos. So in this page, you will have this turn on option. So click on turn on. And now you need to review watch page terms. I recommend you to give it a read. And here's something important you should know. YouTube will actually pay you 55% of net revenues from the ads displayed on your videos. And the rest 45% will go to YouTube. So keep this in mind. Now here in this page, at the bottom, check on this box that you accept the watch page terms. And at the bottom right, click on accept and next. Now once you enable watch page ads, the following ad formats will be enabled by default. So the first is location of ads, and here a pre-roll ads which is shown before someone plays your videos, and mid-roll ads which is displayed somewhere at the middle of your videos, and then post-roll ads which is shown at the end of your videos. And second, type of ads. So under type of ads, there are actually two type of ads will be shown by default. The first one is non-skippable ads, which the viewers cannot skip the ads. And the second one is skippable ads, where the viewers can skip the ads. So these ad formats will be shown on your videos. And here at the bottom, you will see place ads during video, which will be mid-roll ads, will be checked. And if it is not checked, just check this option, because this is only applicable for videos which are longer than 8 minutes. So if you check this option, YouTube will automatically place some mid-roll ads on those videos which are actually over 8 minutes long. By the way, here even we check this box, sometimes YouTube actually will not put so many ads on those longer videos, and you will be missing out making more money from those videos. So you have to do it manually as well. You have to put mid-roll ads on videos which are longer than 8 minutes so that you can make maximum amount of revenue from those videos. And for that, I have a video. I will link that video in the description as well as in the cards. You can watch that video and you will get an idea how to put mid-roll ads on longer videos so that you can make more money. Now once you check this box, in this page at the bottom right, click on next. And here make sure you watch this video. You will learn so many things about YouTube advertiser friendly content guidelines, and you will get an idea what type of videos are monetizable and not monetizable. Now in this page you will get two options. First, you can monetize all your existing videos, and second, you can do it manually. So if you think some of your videos does not comply with the YouTube advertiser friendly guidelines, then you can select on this option I will choose. And you can go to your video list and select all videos that comply with the advertiser friendly guidelines, and you can monetize them. But as all videos on this channel follow YouTube advertiser friendly guidelines, here I'm gonna select all my existing videos. And now here at the bottom right, let's click on monetize all. And all existing videos on this channel will be monetized with watch page ads. And if I go to content, here you can see monetization for all videos has been turned on, and now this channel can start earning from the ads displayed on videos. So that's it, that's how you can set up and turn on watch page ads for your YouTube channel. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and if possible leave a comment. And if you want to link bank account to your YouTube channel so that you can start getting paid, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.